Why set up a company in Vietnam? Reliability when you starting setup. Company in Vietnam. The company's investors or company owners and third parties must present a clear image and understanding of the business to the government. Registering a company in Vietnam allows third parties to check the company's status related to many different issues, such as company profiles, financial status, shareholder list, directors, etc. The result is that partners, investors, banks, or lenders see the company as reliable. Security. A company is a legal entity established over a long period. Typically, a company operates until the owners or shareholders retire or sell it. This long-term stability provides security to third parties, such as customers, suppliers, banks. Why invest in Vietnam? Ms. Data highlights Vietnam's emerging economy, skilled labor force, affordable cost of living, and recent trade agreements as prime reasons for considering investment in the region. Types of company structures: 100% foreign LLC, a limited liability company entirely owned by foreigners. Nominee company requires partnering with a Vietnamese individual, whereby they hold ownership and make operational decisions. Joint venture JV, a 50-50 partnership with a Vietnamese counterpart, allows for shared ownership and smoother management. Representative office. This setup is beneficial for existing businesses looking to have a presence in Vietnam but does not permit commercial activities. Costs and maintenance. The video discusses the varying expenses involved in opening and maintaining these companies, emphasizing that while some options may be cheaper to establish, they could incur higher ongoing costs due to audits and tax reporting requirements. Residency and work permits. Owning a company can grant foreign investors long-term visas such as temporary residence cards (TRCs). The video explores how investments between $5,000 to $125,000 facilitate visa approvals. Practical steps. He recommends spending time in Vietnam to understand the market, networking with fellow entrepreneurs, finding trustworthy partners, and consulting professionals to create an informed business plan. #3. Service of setting up a foreign invested company of LHD Law Firm. Foreign investment consulting is the professional consulting segment of LHD firm. Over 15 years of work, we have completed legal work for more than 6,800 projects for businesses and individuals from 32 countries around the world. 4. Services of LHD Law Firm. Advising on conditions for establishing foreign invested companies for investors according to specific business fields or investors' nationality. Consulting on selecting the correct type of company for investors, limited liability company or joint stock company, head office address, capital, business lines, opening a capital transfer account, capital contribution term, etc. Guide investors to prepare necessary documents to establish a foreign invested company. Consulting and drafting company establishment documents for investors. Representing investors to work with competent Vietnamese state agencies in the process of establishing businesses for investors. Apply for a foreign loan for a business to borrow from a parent company or foreign organization. Exhaustive advice on activities arising in the process of doing business in Vietnam for investors. With experience and a professional service attitude, LHD Law Firm is committed to satisfying foreign investors in Vietnam. Contact us now for consultation as soon as possible.